Hello Epicureans, today we're going to be making creamy tarragon chicken. First thing I'm going to do is prep all of my ingredients. Once the chicken is trimmed, I'm going to season both sides with salt, pepper, and dried tarragon. Next, I'm going to melt some butter in a cast iron skillet and saute the chicken in the hot butter. Once the chicken is not quite cooked all the way through, but has some color on both sides, remove it from the pan. After we re-add the chicken, we're going to add some fresh tarragon and cook it the rest of the way in the oven. After we take the chicken from the oven, we're going to remove it one more time so we can bring it to a boil and add our heavy cream. Next, we're going to add the chicken back to the sauce and allow it to blend together. Once the chicken is done, you can just add it over plain basmati rice. And if you're anything like me, you're going to want to add plenty of sauce. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.